Good morning, everybody. Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to a sea day on board the Norwegian Prima. It is just now 6 o'clock in the morning, still a little bit early. Ship doing a little bit of rocking. Woo! Wind's kicking up the waves out there a little bit, so the ship's wiggling around a little bit. But it's time. Tiffany needs, what do you need?
Coffee.
Coffee. So we're going to head off and get her some coffee. Off to get some coffee. The coffee hunt begins. Dun dun, dun dun, dun dun. In we go into the elevator with the infinity looking type wall. Now I'm gonna show you guys something about these elevators. She says this on every single floor.
The lift is going up.
The lift is going up. If you stop at 6 floors on the way to the top, she will say that every single floor. This hot tub has foam and bubbles in it. You see the pool water moving around a little bit this morning. Kind of gives you an example of, you know, how the ship moving and so Tiffany has found her coffee, making her cup here at the beverage station. We also got some juices, orange juice, apple juice, iced tea, cranberry juice, of course ice and water. We have an omelet station here in the buffet, pancakes and French toast. It's not open yet, but give a quick little tour of it. An express breakfast. Got all of your different seating areas. Little trip through the casino. Dun 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 dun. Casino on board is kind of relatively a small casino, don't you think?
Yeah, that's what I said yesterday.
It's relatively small compared to some other cruise ships that we've been on, but we're actually heading this way. So Tiffany has her coffee, so at this point we're just kind of doing a little ship exploration. If I head up and get some food, you getting hungry?
A little bit.
Okay. And so we're going to go into the local bar and grill here for breakfast. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go check out the local. We gotta stop here. So we are here in the local. Just kind of give you guys a quick look around the local here. It's got the TVs on the walls. Got a quick little look here at the breakfast menu. Now, of course, this restaurant is included. And this is where we had dinner last night, right?
Yes.
So I think breakfast should be good.
Yes, because dinner was awesome.
All right, so Tiffany got some fruit salad there. Can I show you guys the fruit salad real quick? Are you trying to go healthy?
No, it just sounded good.
It just sounded good. And so the rest of the food has arrived. Got some pancakes. Got a breakfast sandwich. Look at the size of that breakfast sandwich. Okay, that's way bigger than I thought it would be.
And you get the option of fried egg or scrambled eggs on your breakfast sandwich.
And Tiffany's got some fried eggs, some potatoes.
Corned beef hash.
I'm sorry, some fried eggs and some corned beef hash. I stand corrected, baby. She's like, I can get no potatoes. All right, so you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's see. Now, Tiffany's had her breakfast, but she's still heading for more food. So it opens at 8 o'clock. All right, so breakfast was over. I would say that was super successful. What do you think?
I think so.
I think the local is becoming one of our favorite spots to eat. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good food, quick service, and it's complimentary.
Right. That's always a huge plus. But I think tomorrow we're going to try maybe the Indulge. What do you think?
Yeah.
Depending.
Cook breakfast from around the world.
Yeah, we should, because we don't get to Costa Maya till later on in the day. So yeah, I think tomorrow morning we'll do Indulge, breakfast around the world. Here she goes again.
The lift is going up.
The lift is going up. Every time you get in the elevator. Almost makes you want to take the stairs.
Yes.
Get the seating area for Los Lobos. Want to sit in some big old pink seats, baby?
Sure.
Right here. So here's the exit for one of the slides here on deck 8. And you can see the slide. So all the way up. This is, I believe, the drop. Comes all the way down. Got one of the infinity pools here on deck 8. Lots of comfortable seating and chairs. Outdoor seating for the Indulge Food Hall. Little drink station. Racing slides. Time to go across the sky bridge. You can see the water all churning and foaming up there. Alright, so she walks right there on the black line. One more time across the sky bridge. They have a lot of the doors closed for inclement weather. She walks right down the center black line. Alright, so we're back down here at the statues at night because they said they're supposed to do things. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Changes colors and okay, now I see what they're talking about. Alright, our first sea day here on the Norwegian Prima, done, over with. And look, I'm gonna be honest, we did not do a whole lot today. We really spent the day catching up on rest, relaxing, just enjoying the cruise.
Yes.
I mean, that's pretty much all we did. We ate, we rested, we explored a little bit. You know, we did explore around deck number 8. You know, took a look at that, but honestly, beyond that, we did not do a whole lot today. We did have a shore excursion adventure, I guess you want to call it, or with the shore excursions desk. Norwegian, they kind of did their own thing. We had booked an excursion in Roatan to go see the sloths. It was done, it was booked, it was confirmed, 10 o'clock. Had the screenshot and everything. Well, somewhere along the line, Norwegian decided, oh, well, instead of 10 o'clock, we're going to move you to the 9 o'clock tour. And that's just an hour difference. And normally, had it been just Tiffany and I, that wouldn't be a problem. That wouldn't be an issue. An hour's difference, that's okay. Well, our friend James is traveling on this cruise with us. And he had gone down to guest service or shore excursions desk and got himself on the 10 o'clock tour to go see the sloths to go with us. And then tickets come and they find out Norwegian moved us.
Yep.
Didn't say anything, didn't announce anything, didn't be like, hey guys, this is going to happen. And their explanation for it was just so weird. Because we were like, all right, well, we booked this months ago. Back when we first booked this cruise, we knew we wanted this excursion, so we booked it. And the guy at the shore excursion desk says, well, yeah, that happens if you pre-book. And I'm like, wait a minute, no. He says, yeah, you pre-booked it, so, and then people came on the ship and the 10 o'clock got full. I'm like, hold on, I booked the 10 o'clock months ago. Pre-booking means I've pre-done my reservation. I've pre-paid for this particular thing, but he made it sound like that was not the way, and kind of made it sound like it was our fault.
Yeah.
That we pre-booked, and that's why we got kicked out of our excursion. Needless to say, we did manage to get the problem solved because James is traveling as a single. We got him moved from the 10 o'clock back down to the 9 o'clock. So it all worked out at the end. It's just, I'm not sure what Norwegian was talking about, thinking, or saying with that. Well, you pre-booked, so that's what happens.
Now, they did offer to refund us if we wanted to cancel. But this is an excursion we've both been looking forward to. And like we said...
By both. Tiffany means
okay,
her.
Me. And like we said, it wouldn't have been a big deal except for the fact that...
We have somebody's
traveling with us and booked it specifically for the 10 o'clock just to go with us.
Yeah, that's the part that I couldn't get through to the guy there at shore excursions desk. Was like, hey, if it was just us, that's one thing. And like I said, their explanation about it was just weird. But
so, tip, check your tickets, compare them to the time that you have reserved.
Yeah, make sure what they actually do, especially if you have people traveling with you, all trying to go on the same excursion at the same time. And even if you pre-book it, because I wouldn't have thought that would have messed with anything. Mm-mm. I mean, it was done, confirmed. I had the confirmation, correct times, everything. And the guy still said, you can have your money back and not go. I'm like, oh, wow. Okay.
But that was our adventure for the day.
That was our adventure day. And if that's the only minor hiccup we have from Norwegian, it's not terrible.
No.
It's not bad. It's more of an annoyance, inconvenience type situation,
But the positive, we still get to go hug sloths.
Tiffany gets to go hug sloths. Keep in mind, this is how this whole conversation went. I said, hey, we're going to Roatan. She said, hey, you will take me to hug sloths. I said, okay. That's what actually happened. Let's not be confused by, I said, ooh, I want to go hug sloths. No, it was, you will take me to go hug a sloth. That's the truth. I'm not going to, But like I said, other than that, that's pretty much our only adventure here really today. We went to Indulge for dinner. Showed you guys a little bit of Indulge yesterday. And now we're going to call it an evening. Tomorrow we have Costa Maya. Should be in Costa Maya a little after 12 o'clock. And current plan is to let fish eat your feet.
Yes.
So we're going to hop off of here for tonight. But if you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. That way you too can learn about what happens when they change your excursion time and don't even tell you about it. Everybody have yourself a great evening. And like always,
we'll see you out on the high seas.